Enter Immervision and let your device perceive the world as you do. Machine Vision Systems integrates 3 interlaced components similar to human vision. To adapt to many environments, we can develop the 3 components as a complete system or independently. High-resolution wide-angle panamorph lens captures the images that are analyzed and manipulated to render a superior output. For even smarter vision, metadata from sensors are stored together with visual data. With a multidisciplinary team of experts working under the same roof, we developed many patents in 20 years on specific aspects of machine vision, along with design wins with famous brands. We provide services for your machine vision system needs, or you can join our innovation lab, where our experienced scientists, optical designers, and image processing engineers will create invaluable intellectual property for you and bring intelligent vision in your next device. Immervision. See more, smarter.